How's it going, guys? My name's Gershon Levy. I'm your local Las Vegas realtor. Now, if you live in Clark County, Nevada, which is where the Las Vegas Valley is located, I'm going to show you today how to make sure that the county is not massively overcharging you for your property tax bill. And if they are, I'm also going to show you how to fix that. Now, the first thing you need to know is that here in Nevada, we have a cap on the total percentage increase that your property tax bill can go up each year. And that's equal to up to 3% for primary residences where you live, and then up to 8% for non-primary residences, things like investment properties, businesses, and whatnot. And it says that here on the Clark County website. It says 3% cap on the tax bill of the owner's primary residence, and then a cap of up to 8% on the tax bill will be applied to residences that are not owner-occupied. Now, the way that the county checks to make sure if your property is a primary residence or not is when there's a status change to the property, meaning when it's bought or sold. So what they'll do is they'll send you this thing called a tax cap postcard, which you'll see here. Right, here's a sample of it in this article. And this will basically ask you whether or not this property is owner occupied or not. Now, a lot of people forget to send it back. They don't even know it's coming. They misplace it or whatnot. And if the county doesn't receive this back, they're just going to assume that it's not owner occupied and apply the 8% increase in property tax to your property. So obviously, we don't want to pay more property tax than we need to. So we first need to figure out how the county decides or how the county is looking at your property right now. What's the current status? Do they consider it to be owner occupied or not? And then we're going to figure out exactly what form you would need to send in to fix that issue so you're paying the lower property tax. So to figure out the current status of your property, to see whether or not the county considers it to be a primary residence or not, we're going to go to the Clark County Treasurer's website and do a property account inquiry, basically searching for your property. So you'll fill out your street address, and it'll give you a lot of really interesting information about the house. So here's an example of that. I put in a property address, and under property characteristics, you'll see it says tax cap increase percentage, and next to it, it shows 3%. So if it shows 3%, we know that this address is considered to be a primary residence, and you don't have to do anything at all. The county already considers it that, so you're good. But what if it shows 8%? In this case right here, it shows property characteristics, tax cap increase percentage is 8%. So that's obviously wrong, and we want to fix that. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to Google first, and we're going to search for the Clark County Temp Cap Tax Form. Now, the first form that's going to come up is the Clark County Assessor's Office Tax Cap Form, which is what we want. And that's under that brightspotcdn.com website. So we click on that, and it's going to take us to this form specifically. So this right here is the Clark County Assessor's Office Tax Cap Form, and it's very simple to fill out. You'll need your parcel number, your address, your name, your telephone number, and then it's going to ask you basically a couple questions down below, right, about the specific property. Once you fill that out, sign and date it, you'll then want to send it to the local assessor's office, the Clark County Assessor's Office. And the easiest way to do that is to email it to AO customer service request at clarkcountynevada.gov. Now, I'm going to put this form, this email address, the treasurer's website, basically anything I've referenced today, I'm going to put a link to that stuff in the description so you guys can find it really easily. So as you can see, changing the property tax increase is really simple. You just have to find the property and then fill out the form. I hope that was helpful. My name's Gershon Levy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.